All right, so moving on now, we have final advice for students. And just remember, y'all, this is an SBA. It's not an overnight exam. It's not a one-day test. This is meant to be done on a continuous basis with supervision by your teacher or somebody. And again, if you feel that the supervision is not there or is lacking, that's why we've made these videos. These videos will help greatly. Go through all the videos, and while you're doing it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And now I want to go through something with you. All right, y'all. So students, we come to the final words, and then we're going to end with showing you the walkthrough of our templates from Google for your SBAs. I just want to say, remember, the project is not an overnight thing. This is meant to be done over 2 years or 1 year, depending on when your school starts it. Either you start at Form 4 or in Form 5. And look at it as that. Look at it as a reflection of your work, as your standard, you know. You care about it. Be creative. Take pride in your work. Don't try to hustle it and try to get an overnight grade and feel that you're going to do extremely well. No. Treat it with respect. Put in the time and the attention and give it the care that it deserves. And I'm sure you'll be rewarded with an excellent mark once you follow all these tips. And most importantly, once you like, share, and subscribe.